Hi there crafters, my name is Helena and I write the Helena's Handarbeit blog. Today I'd like to show you a brand new, unique tool from Prym, the VARIO Creative Tool. If you work with a lot of rivets and eyelets or with press fasteners especially, then you will definitely love this tool. It replaces your VARIO pliers and punch pliers, and you will only occasionally need your hammer and tripod. Let's have a closer look at this tool together. I think the design of the VARIO Creative Tool is very innovative and aesthetically pleasing. It has this ergonomic shape so you don't get tired while working, plus the materials are very robust. Piercing tools in size 2.5 to 4 mm are included in the tool itself or in the packaging. The product also features measuring device for length and breadth, so it's easy to fine-tune the positioning of eyelets and rivets. You can also purchase the optional table clamp. The VARIO Creative Tool has a soft touch surface which feels lovely and has great grip. This is what it looks like from underneath. You can see the plastic base with anti-slip studs, so the tool actually stays in place really well on my work surface here. Behind here you can see the slot for the table clamp. And if I push the handle upwards once, we find an adjustable screw for precision adjustments. You'll find this if you work with a variety of rivets and eyelets. This is where we find the tool holder. Later we can attach our piercing tool and the relevant adapters for our rivets and eyelets here. Then this little purple platform changes height and can be removed from the rear when needed. Let's now punch a hole together using our VARIO Creative Tool here. First, we put the handle in the starting position. You can hear when it clicks into place and insert the right adapter. You push the cone into the tool holder until it surely clicks into place. And then you need the cylinder for punching holes. You insert that here in the height adjustable platform. Now you have to get this the right way around, so always remember that the diameter labeling should be hidden. Now let's pick our fabric, place it in the tool and lower the handle into the middle position where it will click into place again. This is where you have the opportunity to reposition your fabric a bit. Then apply a little bit of force to press the handle further down until it clicks. And now lift the handle back into the starting position. Ta-da! That's our hole. Now, a couple of tips from me. If you want to work with utmost precision, wrap your fingers around the handle. But if you have several layers of fabric, you will need to apply a bit more pressure. To do this, lay your palm on top of the handle and place your other hand on top for support when you press down. Or you can also stand up for better leverage. This tool can be used in two different ways, handheld or on a worktop. Here's a tip on how to care for your VARIO Creative Tool. You can simply apply a few drops of your sewing machine oil on a damp cloth and use it to lubricate the tool holder from time to time, just to keep it running smoothly. The VARIO Creative Tool can be used with any current non-sew products from Prym. That includes all eyelets in sizes 4 to 14 mm, tubular rivets, regular rivets, jersey press fasteners for outdoor use, and Prym collar snaps. Follow the instructions on the packaging. In addition to the tool itself, you can purchase two new tool sets, one for eyelets sized 11 to 14 mm and one for rivets and tubular rivets. These could previously only be fitted using a hammer. Simply note the icons on the packaging. If you see these icons, then you can use the products in the packet with the VARIO Creative Tool. Thanks for crafting with me. If you want to know more about the VARIO Creative Tool, then head to Prym's website and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And there are more Prym videos where I show you how to directly punch in rivets and eyelets using the tool.